Hi there, I'm Nova Scotia car accident lawyer Mark Raftus. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, what are the steps in a typical car accident claim? 1. Notify the defendant's insurance company of the claim. We will notify the insurance company for the person that injured you of your claim. We will provide them with basic information about the nature of your claim. 2. File your lawsuit with the court. We will file a document called the Notice of Claim with the court. The Notice of Claim will contain the facts that show the other driver caused the accident, that you suffered injuries as a result, a description of your injuries, details about financial losses you have suffered, and a description of the amount of the financial losses. 3. Exchange of documents. Both sides have to provide each other with any relevant information they have about the claim. For example, you will have to provide the defendant with copies of your medical records about your injuries and your work history, and income records to prove the extent of your income loss. The defendant will have to provide, for example, copies of any police records if they were charged as a result of the accident, or his insurance records if they investigated the accident. 4. Interrogatories. Each side is entitled to send written questions called interrogatories to the other side to learn what they know about the accident and how it happened and what injuries or losses resulted from the accident. 5. Discovery examinations. Each side is allowed to ask questions about what the other side is going to say at the trial. These questions are recorded and typed up into a transcript. Both you and the other driver, the defendant, will be questioned at the discovery. 6. Defense medical examination. Sometimes the other side may ask you to attend a medical exam or exams with a doctor of their choosing. They call this an independent medical examination. The purpose of the defense medical examination is to help the other side prepare to defend your claim. That is why I prefer to call this step a defense medical exam. 7. Notice of trial. Once we are satisfied that we have the information we need to prove your claim, we will file a notice of trial. This is a document that is filed with the court telling the court that you are ready to go to trial. It usually takes several months, sometimes more than a year, before your trial will be scheduled. 8. Trial. If both sides are not able to negotiate a settlement, a trial takes place to decide the claim. In Nova Scotia, you can elect or decide to have your trial in front of a judge alone or in front of a judge and jury. There is a lot more you need to know in order to protect your rights after a car accident. If you want more information about